Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with power off and a clear workspace. This prevents pops and protects speakers. Once done, identify the V8 sound card line OUT jacks, RCA pairs, or balanced TRS because matching impedance matters. You select the correct cable, RCA to RCA for unbalanced, TRS for balanced inputs. Make sure cables are in good condition. Damaged shielding causes noise. Now plug cables loosely into the V8 outputs, so you can still adjust routing and levels from the interface. You now configure signal flow. Set the V8 output level near Unity, 0 dB, and confirm no clip lights are lit. This preserves headroom. Next, select the amplifier's line level input so the gain structure matches. Using a phono or mic input will distort. Once connected, play test audio and gradually raise the amp volume while watching meters. If the sound is weak or noisy, swap cable types or enable balanced mode if available. This balances noise rejection and preserves dynamics. You finish by securing connectors and routing cables to avoid strain. This prevents intermittent contact. Once secure, perform a final level sweep. Play varied audio, note comfortable amp gain settings, and mark them for quick recall. Make sure any DSB or EQ on the V8 is neutral if you want clean output. If you encounter hum or silence, check ground continuity, swap cables, confirm the amp is on the correct line input, and test the V8 on headphones to isolate the fault. That single check often reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.